I'm sharing my vegan mushroom burger recipe, so let's get started. You will need portobello and cremini mushrooms, black beans, oats, onions, coriander, ginger and garlic paste, oil, salt, pepper, red chili powder, and flaxseed oil and some water. Finely chop the onion. You will also need to chop your portobello mushrooms and cremini mushrooms into a food processor. Heat a large skillet, add the oil. Now once your oil is heated, we are going to add our chopped onions. All the list of the ingredients and the quantities will be listed down in the description box below. We are going to saute our onions till they are a little golden brown. Once your onions have been a little golden, we are going to add our ginger garlic paste and we are going to cook that for a few more minutes. You need to cook the onions until they're soft. Add the chopped mushrooms and we are going to cook this until half of the water is absorbed from the mushroom mixture. At this point, add your salt, pepper, and red chili powder and mix well. Once the mixture is cooked, we are going to add the beans and we are going to mix it really well. You can also use the back of the spoon to mash the mushroom mixture with the beans. Transfer the mixture into a bowl and put it in the fridge to cool down. Once that is done, we are going to add the water to our flaxseed mixture and make it into a paste. This will act as a thickening agent to our mushroom mixture. Once your mixture is cooled, add the oats, the flaxseed mixture, and coriander and mix everything together. Once your mixture is cooled and well combined, we are going to start making the patties. Here I'm using a bit of water to add to my hands to prevent the mixture from getting sticky. You can make patties as big or as small as you want. Make sure they're all round and smooth. Now in a large skillet, add a bit of oil and we are going to cook the patties until they're golden brown from each side. Once your patties are cooked, your burger is ready to be assembled. Here I'm going to add some vegan mayo to the sandwich. Add your patty. You can add any toppings you want. I am going to be adding tomatoes, pickle, and lettuce. And your burger is ready to eat. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the like button.